Hey there, kiddos. I wanted to go over number 11 on the quiz that we took, which was the second 11, so part 2. When I'm looking at 9, 10, and 11, I see these tables, and I'm honest, I think that the fact that it's a little bit blurry is why I'm having some issues. So if you look at number 10, it says 3v plus w, and number 11, it looks like that says x squared plus y. And I'm really sorry about the blurriness of this. That is just not acceptable. But if you had calculated this as a plus, I can see why it would have been frustrating because you didn't get any answers. In the answer key, they didn't give you this. So this was a division problem. This was supposed to say, or supposed to be clear, and it wasn't. I guess I did try to help, but on number 11 at the bottom, in the answer key, I did write the problem out, but I can see that that didn't work out for some of us. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to toss this problem because there were so many problems understanding it. But I am going to show you how to solve it just for giggles. And this division problem is going to look something like x squared divided by y. And again, I do apologize for the fuzziness of that. And we're just going to practice the learning just in case, or just to practice so that we can have big brains. All right, I'm going to plug in my x and my y. So I have 2 squared divided by 1. 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, divided by 1 is 4. So my first value is 4. Then I'm going to plug in my next set of of coordinates. So I have 6 squared divided by 2. 6 squared is 36. I always have to do the exponents before I can do any division. Divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 is going to be 18. So my second value is 18. And the last one is 8 and 4. So I have 8 squared divided by 4. 8 times 8 is 64 divided by 4. And that value is going to be 16. So my answer, which is what was in the answer key, but again, I understand that would have been confusing if you had read this as a plus. So I will make sure that that's not a problem in the future. And thank you for your questions and keep learning.